Hello guys, this is Hitesh Tripathi and this is editorial video for weekly contest 245 lead code question second maximum number of removable characters. Okay, fine. This is medium lead code question. Before this, if you haven't subscribed this channel, you can subscribe this channel. I post CP editorials plus DSA related videos. Okay, so now we have two strings in this question, string S and P, where P is a subsequence of string S, and now we have one more array that is removable. In removable, we have some indices of S. Okay, and we have to tell maximum value of prefix length of string removable such that if we remove those indexes from a string S, P is still a subsequence of S. Okay, I am generalizing the question again. We are having some array removable. Okay, and we have to tell maximum value of prefix length. Okay, such that here are some indices of S. You can say 3 1 0 2 5. Okay, and we have to tell this maximum value such that if we remove all these indices from a string S, string P is still a subsequence of S. Okay, and we have to tell maximum value. So now if we see constraints of this question, we have S of length 10 raised 5. So we can operate in O of S or S length, or we can also operate in O of S dot length or multiply log of S dot length. Okay, so we can do either n log n operation or O of n operation. Okay, fine. So we have to find some maximum value of prefix length. Some maximum value of prefix length, and suppose if we fixed some value at ith index, okay, and we took it as L. Now for this length we can easily calculate that after removing this length prefix indexes from a string S, whether our P is a subsequence of S or not. And for checking this, that P is a subsequence of S or not, we need O of n operations, where n is the length of S. Okay, we need O of n operations, and you can easily Google this code. You will get it at GFG. Okay, fine. So our main task is we have to find that index after removing that prefix of length. हमारा क्या हो जाए, हमारी p जो है वो still subsequence रहे. ओके, सो अगर एक कंफर्मेशन आ रहा है कि हमें इंडेक्स पे काम करना है, उस इंडेक्स पे इस रिमूवेबल लेंथ के, ओके, तो और हमें मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकालनी है, ठीक है, तो वी हैव सम रेंज and we have to find maximum value of something in that range. So we can use binary search in this easily. Okay, we will binary search in the length of removable array, and for current mid we will check that after removing this mid prefix length our p is still a subsequence of s or not. Okay, अगर s का subsequence है p अभी भी, तो what we will update our answer as mid, and then we will make left as mid plus 1. Otherwise what we will do, अगर हमारा ये mid possible नहीं है, then what we will do is we will update as right to mid minus 1. ओके, तो इजी बाइनरी सर्च का क्वेश्चन है. ओनली थिंग वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू ऑपरेट over the length of removable array and find that maximum index up to which we can remove this prefix indexes, and our p is still a subsequence of s. Okay, fine. So let me show you the code. Here this function, what this function is doing, bool is string s and string sub. Okay, so here this is my substring and this is my string. Okay, and this is length j is equals to 0 for indexing my substring. Okay, and n और m में मैंने दोनों की लेंथ ले ली. now I will operate on my main string, and अगर करंट कैरेक्टर 0 है तो मैं सिंपली क्या करूंगा, अपने सब स्ट्रिंग के इंडेक्स में इंक्रीज कर दूंगा, एंड एट द एंड इफ आई फाउंड आउट every value of my substring in string s, then I will simply return true, otherwise I will return false. Okay, fine. Now if I come to my maximum removal function, okay, so here I took मुझे लेंथ में ऑपरेट करना था रिमूवेबल एरे के, तो मैंने लेंथ इज इक्वल्स टू एल और एच आर डॉट साइज ले लिया आंसर, जिसमें मैं अपना मैक्सिमम प्रीफिक्स लेंथ अपडेट करूंगा। नाउ दिस अपना बाइनरी सर्च, स्टैंडर्ड बाइनरी सर्च मिड, ये हमारी करंट मिड वैल्यू हो गई जिसपे हमें चेक करना है। स्ट्रिंग मैंने एक टेम्परेरी स्ट्रिंग ले ली जिसपे मैं अपने सारे जो प्रीफिक्स एरे के इंडेक्सेस है उन सारे इंडेक्सेस को मैंने क्या किया, एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर बना दिया जो हमारे सब स्ट्रिंग सब सीक्वेंस में हो ही नहीं सकता था। ओके, चेंज द कैरेक्टर एंड अपने टेम्प में फिर चेक कर लो दैट टेम्प में अगर p एक सब स्ट्रिंग सब सीक्वेंस है, then simply make answer, update your answer and check for higher value, and if it is not, then check for lower value, and at the end return answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will post editorial videos for further questions also, that is second medium, merge triplet to form target triplet, and that hard one also. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed this channel, subscribe this channel and like this video.